if you took diversity and you decided that it's about women, it's about indigenous, it's about multicultural, it's about all abilities, if you start looking at that, one of the things I would start off with is, what do I actually have in the organization? It's important that you have evidence. And then if you look at your strategy, you say, what is it that I actually need? So my employees, I might have a strategy that says, for me to attract the best employees, I need to look like the Australian population demographics. And so I then model that in a scenario and look at what I actually have and measure the gap so that I know very firmly what it is that I'm working with. From that gap, I can then say, what would be a proper timeline and proper activities for me? So is it recruitment? Is it changing my employer value proposition? Is it doing different kinds of sourcing? Is it building capabilities bottom up in indigenous communities so people are interested in the sport? If you can understand the gap between the as is and the to be, the timelines and the activities flow from that. And it has to be run like any other project. But it's also a cultural change. And that's critical, because otherwise you're going to have people just ticking off activities. It's absolutely critical that there's a lot of awareness and diversity training for people so that you create that inclusive culture around your diversity plan.